Are missed calls costing you business? In today's fast-paced world, communication is key. Imagine potential clients calling after hours, only to hit silence. You need a solution that ensures no call goes unanswered. KrispCall's voicemail service is here to transform your communication. Seamlessly set up voicemail to engage clients anytime. Get local and toll-free virtual numbers from over 100 countries. Enjoy tailored greetings that leave a lasting impression. KrispCall stands out with its user-friendly interface and 24/7 support, ensuring you're never alone. Join the ranks of successful businesses using voicemail. Don't let another opportunity slip away. Sign up with KrispCall today and elevate your business communication now.